Good morning, America. My name is Chef Poon. Life is short, cooking is fun.
人生苦短，健康快樂齊主演。
Now, I try to do demonstration how to bone this chicken. I can do it fast, but I don't want to. I want everybody to learn step by step. Why we cut this way? Less you cut, more time you save. That's what we call, I learned English, time management. Thank you. Now, first of all, this is 580. We are using the paring knife to rip off the plastic. Because this is frozen, it's a frozen chicken. So you get rid of the blood because right now the germ is there. So you have to wash it, okay? So the sanitation, that's very important, especially in the restaurant business. You don't want to make the food poisoning, all right? So now the chicken is right here. And you see, a lot of this dirty stuff from chicken. So you have to wash it, okay? So when you wash it, cold water, contamination is fast, okay? So you gotta be careful. And also you have to know the inside. You have to put your hand in, be careful. There are two bones on the bottom. If you're not be careful, they will cut your finger. And then the second part is this fat. This is a lot of money because I'm a cheap guy. In Hong Kong, in China, they're using the fat cooking. High saturated fatty acid. Bad, but very tasty, like butter. This one, I put on the side. And also, I clean all the blood inside. And then the lung is inside. This one, you don't want it. All right? So this one, you want to get rid of them. So you have to understand the whole chicken before you make a lot of money. So more you know, more you save money. So we have to clean up again. So that's why before you bone the chicken, you have to wash, sanitation, and clean up first. And outside, inside. Now, it's cleaned up already. See, not many blood. That's what I'm trying to do. All right? I know always have paper to clean my hand because when you cause contamination, you touch the other thing, it's not that good. You got food poisoning. It's really serious. And then now, I bone chicken. I'm not doing fast, all right? So I want everybody watch me. The way to cut, only about 6-7 cut, and then you pull. And then I'm using my cleaver. And this cleaver is very unique. They have my name on. I cut it slowly because everybody loves to bone the chicken from 580 to make 80 bucks or 100 bucks, depending how you create, all right? So you cut, first cut. This one is the breastbone and close to the bone. Now one cut here, and then the other side, as close to the bone as possible, and also all the way to the wishbone. Because when you pull it, much easier to pull. And then after that, you turn upside down and cut this one right here. All right. So when you pull it, and then the whole thing come out. And next one, 1, 2, 3 cut, and then the fourth one. And the fifth one. So far we have 5 big cut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you rip this guy up. And then you can see the joint bone is here. Because I want to take the leg out, the whole leg out. So, and then I put this thing on the side. And then I cut from here. There's an oyster in here. So you put the point of the knife to get rid of every single meat come out. Now, and then you cut, see, the joint I rip up already. So you won't hurt your knife. So you cut the soft bone instead of big bone. And then you slide here. And then I'm using this cleaver. And then I don't cut anymore. Why? I pull. Right? And then one done. And then I turn the other way. Same thing. I cut the skin again. Now the oyster is here. Using the tip part, you want to save all the meat. You see, this is what we call oyster. This piece of meat right here. You don't be careful. You cut it, and all the meat is right there. That's the way to what we call waste. And you just cut the vertebrae. And then the thing come out. Another leg right here. Next one is a lot more easy. Now the breast is here. You put one side. Every time you cut the joint. There's a wing, and this part is the joint here. So you can feel it using this finger and feel moving up and down, boogie, 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 boogie. You hold the wing this way, 3 fingers here, and then you feel the joint in the middle finger, the second finger, and then the joint is here. You cut on the top, and that's the joint. Now see, you don't hurt your knife. So each part is doing, and also you cut all the way here, because I want all the meat from the wishbone. And then also I go to the other side. So because of that, ready? This is why I'm using this heavy cleaver. Right? This one save energy. I told you I'm always a cheap guy. And then I put it right here. This is another done. And then this is fillet. Right? And then this way you punch the hole here. And cut right here. Right? So now you're holding this guy. You done. This is a fillet. This one right here, same thing. Now see, you can see how clean you get all the meat out. And then turn this upside down. Same thing. Holding three fingers on this one, feel this thing, you feel it, oh, this joint is right here. And then when you cut, facing the other side. You don't want to face this way. Why? Your finger is here. So the joint is here, you facing the other side, cut it. And then you feel it, wishbone, and then on the side, on the front, and then you're holding this guy. So you cut all the meat out, and then you're holding this guy, this is a joint here, and pull it. But you see, this is how clean it is. And then this is another one. And then now the fillet is here, right? So you go inside, not outside, inside, and then grab it, and this come out. How come? You're holding this guy, and then you put the knife here. You can pull it this way. So this is what we call boneless whole chicken. I trained one time, I was in Camden. The chef, his institution, about 40 young kids. They are in between 12 to 18 years old. And then I asked, how fast I bone the chicken? And they said, half an hour, 15 minutes. Are you crazy? I told them, 1.5 minutes. Chef, can you teach me? Yes, because they have 300 free chicken from farm, because the institution. And they cook for nighttime for the Camden County, for the homeless people. Very nice. So can you come back? Chef, can you come back next morning? And then we have 300 chicken. You teach us? Yes, I teach them one day. And all of them, they boneless whole chicken by themselves within 3 minutes. They're so happy. So I was so happy to teach this young kid. You can see how clean, not much meat left. That is the best part.